Hello, Namaskar. So now we are going to learn about Shukshmasanas or the asana practices for work from home employees. So now we are going to do completely for the hands. So let's start with the finger. So these are the finger joints and then moving to ankle joint, then elbow, and finally we'll end with the shoulder point. Okay. So first let's start with the fingers. So we usually work for the keyboard, right? So for long hours we do the keyboarding and all, so or texting and all. So if we do these things whatever I'm telling you, so it gives you the relief. So whenever you're feeling some pain over here because of the typing or texting and all, so you can practice this one. So let's see. First of all, put the fingers together like this and apply the pressure. So you have to put the pressure in such a way from 1 to 5 you have to increase the pressure count, and in reverse order 5 to 1 you have to release the pressure. Now I am applying the pressure with 1 to 5. So you have to close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am making my tip of fingers close together like this. Okay, and 5 to 1 release. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put on the pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take away the pressure from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the pressure level from 1 to 5 increases and 5 to 1 it decreases. Okay, so this gives you the pressure relax and at this level. Okay, so which is helpful for the finger joints. And now we'll do this. Okay, so like a pinching position, take your hands in this position and close, open, close, open. Rather you can say bend, release, bend, release, bend, release. So here the bend is happening at here and here, so the both of the fingers. Okay, bend, release, bend, release. And now we'll move to the ankle joint. So in ankle joint you can do like this. Okay, so you can turn your hands like this, otherwise you can place your hands like this and you can do this. Okay, so round the hand, circle your hands in clockwise and again circle your hands in the anti-clockwise directions. So all these things, each of these things you can do it for 1 or 2 minutes. So for video purpose, for short length I am making it for a short length, but you can do it for 1 or 2 minutes or even 3 minutes up to your comfort level. And now so we are done with the finger pressure and finger joints and ankle joint. Otherwise you can do like this. So you can take your right hand like this and take the left hand thumb finger and just put the pressure like this across the palm, across the palm, just put on the pressure. So this is for complete palm, for the complete palm. So you put on like this. So this one you can do for left and right hand. Let's say if you are the attendee in the meeting, you are not the host or coordinator in the meeting and you are just attending the meeting, and you can do like this. So you can put on the headset and you can practice like this. So it really no need to get up out from the chair and you can practice like this. So during the meeting also you can do like this. Okay, and now there is another way. So this is called the shaking the hands. So first you shake your hands slowly like this and slowly put on the speed, then simply put on the spoon and close your eyes. Slowly improve the speed and release and relax. Relax for a couple of minutes until you feel normal. Now what happens when you do this movement? Okay, so your hands, the blood circulation will pass and your hands also get relieved. So is there any toxins in your joints? So even that will be go away. So you can do this like this from the in one particular direction. You can start from the beginning from here and come down, again go to the left, top, bottom, like this. So in any direction you can do like this, so full like this, but with focus and with attention. So if you are uncomfortable, just do like this, place your hands like this and do like this. This gives a very good relaxation in your hands. And once you are done, just relax. You can do all this with by sitting on the chair also, like this. Okay, so I'm sitting here and this, so the other one is this, again this, so completely, and even this also, everything. You can sit on the chair and during relaxation place your palms on your thighs and get relaxed. Close your eyes, breathe in or inhale and exhale. Okay, now we'll move to the elbow. For elbow, so you have to place your hands like this, palms facing upward. Okay, and now close your fingers like you are holding some chapati or food or rice in your hand, and slowly with count 1 to 5 kiss your shoulders. 1 2 3 4 5. Again
Start this.
okay, so 1 to 5 kiss your shoulders. 1 2 3 4 5. Again 5 to 1 release from the shoulders. 5 4 3 2 1. Again 1 to 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And 5 to 1 release. 5 4 3 2 1. And once you are getting, you can do this for 10 rounds. If you are getting painful, relax and take the breathe in and breathe out. So between every pose, so from one to other pose, take a 1 minute of gap. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, so that you can focus. So while doing any pose, you have to maintain the focus and attention to it. Okay, so this is for elbow, and now we'll do the other one. So place your hands again parallel to the shoulders and palms facing upward. Now the waving machine. So imagine that your weight on the left hand and you are weighing some other objects. It can be a books or fruits, whatever it may be. Imagine, close your eyes and do like this, just waving. Don't shake your hands or wave your hands to the too much of length like this, but just a very minimal. So if you can do this like 2 or 3 minutes, which is more than enough. Okay, so you can do this with sitting on chair as well. You no need to be stand, but if you stand and doing it, it will be very good. So slowly you have to do like this. If you do this for continuously 2 or 3 minutes, okay, you feel the pain at this area. It depends on the body. Some people will pain at the shoulder area, some people will pain at the lower arm, some people will be doing at upper arm. So it depends on the movement or the body. It is going to be get the pain area. So once it is painful, again relax and take the breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So this has to be practiced for every pose. And now next we'll move to the butterfly pose. Okay, so butterfly pose you have to do like this. So raise your hands to upward, and while coming down, put your hands upward and scroll down. Again, now my hands are going upward, so palms are facing down like this, and now my hands are going down, so my palms are facing upward. So now you imagine that you are at a mountain, or you are at the tip of the ocean or river, any of your location. Close your eyes and you feel that you are flying in the air like a bird. Again, close your eyes. Every moment you can feel your hand position. It should be so much consciously you have to do with more attention. Do this for 10 rounds or 15 or 20. This one is like a gym action only. You feel the same pain even though you weight the lift or even the dumbbells or anything. So right, so now we are done with the fingers, ankle joint, elbow, and the upper arm, lower arm. Now we'll come to the shoulders. So in shoulders we have multiple ways we can do it. So let me show you one by one. Okay, so first one is circling the shoulders like this. So you can see me. Okay, one is this. The other one is just raise your shoulders, pull, push, release, pull back, release, pull, release, pull, release, okay, pull, release. First you have to breathe in, pull, hold here for few seconds, and with exhalation release. So this helps you. See, people will be sitting and working like this sometimes. Okay, for them this helps a lot. Okay, then other one is so like a dance. Okay, so you can do like this, just only the shoulders, and if you are more interested you can do like this as well with the hands. So you know Michael Jackson dance, right? So he does like this. So it is like this, right leg forward and left shoulder backward, and again left leg forward, right shoulder backward. So in the beginning the position doesn't matter, but you can put your headset and play some music or song whichever you like, and slowly do like this. So close your eyes, focus on your knees, focus on your shoulders, and do like this. Okay, so that's all. So we are completed with the fingers, finger joints, ankle joint, elbows, upper arm, lower arm, and shoulders. So these are actually helpful for you when you are doing the work from home or even the normal exercises. But make sure if you have any problem with the recent any joint operations or any kind of surgeries, don't practice it. Otherwise you are free to practice. Okay, thank you.